Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Ken Smith, and today I'm going to review this beast. This is obviously one of the best half-inch drive battery-powered impact guns I've ever tried. And I'm going to give you a full unbiased review on this right now. We're going to go ahead and open this up and unveil it to you. So this came shipped just literally in a box. No need to unbox it for you, but I did want to show you the inside of how this came. Obviously we have our instructions and just some basic information there. There's not really an awful lot, if you think about it, that needs to be explained about an impact gun, but still it's nice to have all of that information that's here. So we'll set that aside. This comes with 2 batteries, which is really nice, and the charger and our impact gun. And I must say, just picking this up, this feels solid. It's definitely a heavy-duty unit, half-inch drive. We're going to go ahead and just make sure that the batteries are fully charged, and then we are going to take it out into the garage slash shop, if you will, and we're going to pull some tires off of a Ford Ranger, and because I think that that's always a really good test for how strong an impact gun is. If we can pull some tires off, those are usually put on pretty tight. That's a good litmus test. So we're going to go ahead, throw the batteries on a charger, just make sure everything is fully charged, and then we're going to get right at it. Definitely want to mention that this is a really nice storage case that everything came in, and nice way to store your impact and batteries and charger when not in use. To charge our batteries, you'll see that that is where the charger plugs in, just like so. And then obviously plug this in into an outlet. While the unit is charging, you'll have that red light, and as soon as it gets done charging, you'll get the green light. So it lets you know that the batteries are fully charged and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and hook up the battery, give it a good snap like so, and that should lock it into place. However, I noticed, and you can hear it too, and probably even see it, it does sit a little bit loose inside the impact gun. So a little bit of a concern that I have. It doesn't seem to affect how it operates, but I am a little bit concerned that the battery has a little bit of play in there. Now, if we look here, we can see that we have 3 different modes. So this is our mode button, and if we go and press the mode button 1, you can hear that. That's probably the lowest speed. Then we press the mode button again. You can hear it pick up a little bit. When we get to number 3, that's our full throttle. You'll also see right here the battery level. Right now we are currently fully charged. The other nice feature that I do like about this is the moment you use it, you get some additional lights onto your area that you're working in. So that's a nice feature that comes along with this. Now let's go ahead, take it out, and get some use out of this and see what we think. Now this Gatmatic 21 volt battery powered brushless gun has a slew of specs, and I'll throw that in the video description. Also, make sure you check out the link that has a special discount just for you. All right, here we go. Oh man, that came off like a good old air impact. Simple and easy. Gotta like that. As you saw, it came off pretty easy, so we're gonna go ahead, tighten it up. And it just feels really good. We're going to go ahead and pop off a rear tire just to double check and see how easy it came off. All right, we're going to move in a little closer. And again, you can see just how easy these lug nuts are coming off. Very impressed with the torque and the power of this 21 volt half-inch drive impact. This 21 volt half-inch drive impact is the bomb. Okay, so there you have it. You saw the whole review. Other than the battery being a little bit loose, it didn't actually be an issue while I used it. Can't believe how powerful this impact is. At 21 volts, it delivers. So I hope you enjoyed that review. I threw a link in the description if you're interested in getting one. Have a wonderful day, and you all be blessed.